What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. You say what y'all do around here. If you new around here, my name is Pre, and on this channel we do natural hair, fashion, and lifestyle content. And if that's your vibe, come along for the ride and hit that subscribe button. What is it that you waiting on? Today, y'all, I know it's been a while, but today we have an Amazon haul. Random things that I picked up from Amazon. A lot has happened since my last video. I've moved, and life has just been lifing, but I'm super happy. I'm blessed, and we have a haul today. I still love my YouTube channel and I'm still going to show up. Period. Period. So, honestly, I don't even know. This is like a lot of random stuff that I just kind of needed. And I was like, let me do a little video, talk to the people. You know what I'm saying? I see y'all. I miss y'all. First, we're going to start off with the bag. I don't know how they packaged it, but just random stuff, y'all. So, okay, so the first thing that I got are these French tip nails. I love the Kiss brand French tip nails. They're super cute and I'm excited to put them on. I've just been tired of my nails just being so plain, and I was like, girl, get you some more clip-ons. My little sister actually does nails as well, so I'm gonna hit her up for real. I am. It's just these are just so convenient sometimes, and I love a good clip-on. Love it. Okay, so next we have some pimple patches. I've been getting random little blemishes on my forehead, and I was like, let me get some of these little patches and see if they work. But yeah, I'm excited to try these out. They're stars, so super cute. Super, super cute. Okay, next. Oh, I got a new necklace because I like this necklace. I got it from Amazon as well, but I just like to switch necklaces, and this is just a plain gold necklace, a rope chain. So I'll probably just wear this, with some other little jewelry, but I just needed another plain little rope necklace. So I'm excited about bringing that out. Excited. See what else we got, y'all. Oh, I needed some heat protectant for my hair because I'm out, and I plan on doing a flexi rod set, but I need to blow dry my hair. That Fantasia. Gotta love Fantasia, okay? Gotta love that brand. Let's see what we got. I don't actually remember what this is, y'all. Let's open it. I don't at all. Oh, yes, y'all. I needed some new bonnets so bad. I love this color, this white, cream, tan type of color. And then I just got a new black one because what? I haven't bought a bonnet in years, and it was just time. I really needed some big bonnets, so I'm excited about these two. They're so pretty. Okay. Yep. All right, next. What we got next, y'all? Next, we have this lemon balm tea. It's a stress relief tea. I love tea just in general, as long as it's caffeine free. I put a little honey in it and I'm good to go. I used to try and drink like 2 to 3 cups of tea a day, and I've been slacking on that. So I said, let me give me some new tea. I've never had this lemon balm one, so I'm excited to try it. Okay, let's see. Now we got this box, y'all. We got this box with stuff in it. There was just so many random little things that I was needing, You know how you just gotta do a random Amazon haul? Just do it. Just do it, girl. Okay. So, next are these gray leggings. I literally love the leggings from Amazon. Like, I bought a cute little top, and that's the only other thing that just didn't come in my order, but that's gonna come tomorrow. But I bought a little blue square neck top to go with these gray leggings. I'll probably put the picture on the side here so you can see what they look like, but cute. Cute, cute, cute. Love their leggings. Oh, y'all, I also got some more tea, and this is like a tea sampler. So it's got 5 different flavors, and it's got how many in here, y'all? I want to say it's like 18. Yeah, 18 tea bags. It's got chamomile, peppermint, lemon zinger, honey vanilla chamomile, and sleepy time. All caffeine free. And come on now, gotta love a tea. I'm gonna make me some tea tonight too. I don't even know which one I'm gonna make. Oh, which one am I gonna make, y'all? I think I'm gonna make the honey vanilla chamomile. That's one of my favorite teas of all time. So that's what we're probably gonna have tonight. Mm. Oh, I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait. Okay, what else we got? There's another box in here. What is in here, y'all? You know how you make a big order and you don't even be remembering what you ordered? That's sad, bro. That is sad. Sad, sad. Oh, okay. I really needed this because your girl was all out. So, okay. So this is my Nivea. I was out of Nivea. I really like just the plain one. I also like the shea butter one, but I always like to keep this on hand because it's so moisturizing. Ugh. Nivea is my favorite lotion. But if y'all got a better lotion recommendation, put it down in the comments because I'm always looking for some new moisturizer. But Nivea, that's my boo thing. Nivea, my boo thing. Okay. Okay, what else we got? Oh, along the lines of skin, I got some face oil. Palmer's cocoa butter formula. Palmer's is really that girl. Like, I sometimes get the Palmer's deep conditioner for my hair, and it's wonderful. I like this because it's got the squeeze thing on it. Let me smell it too. I bet it smells good. Tea. Tea. Oh my gosh. Okay. This has vitamin E oil in it. Visibly improves fine lines, dark spots, and aging skin. 48-hour moisture, dermatologist approved. I really need it because on my forehead, like, I'm getting like some blemishes, you know what I'm saying? From like the pimples that are popping up and then they leave like little marks. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. We got to get that together. Real quick, real quick. So it's got 10 pure oils and cocoa butter. It helps moisturize and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Retinol and vitamin C improve and brighten tone and texture. And then we've got Cetisamate complex, helps deliver essential vitamins and nutrients to the skin. I'm gonna have to let y'all know how that works because I love stuff like that. Okay. Next, this is just some earrings. I really like, I don't have any in, but I really like just little hoops, small hoop earrings, and this is just like a little set of like 3 or 4 pair. So cute. Cute. Okay, what else? Oh, I needed some deep conditioner real bad. I really like the sheamoisture intensive hydration. So I picked this one up. This is my second time getting this actually in a row because I've been getting the Palmer's with biotin. But I find like when I use biotin like over and over, like sometimes it dries my hair out, even with the deep conditioner. So I have to switch the deep conditioners, some with protein, some with biotin, some moisturizing. Like you gotta alternate them. Otherwise, like my hair in particular gets like dry. So I was like, let me get this. And it smells so good. You can see it, y'all. Yeah. You should try this. Like if you can see like the texture of my hair, this is just like it was in big twists and I took those out. It's time to wash it. Like I think this is cute, but of course it's time to wash it now when it just started looking cute. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this in my hair when I wash it tonight. I already have some shampoo and conditioner. I had actually found some Suave shea butter, which I always keep that on hand, in addition to like the other shampoos that I use. But the Suave shea butter and conditioner, I was in Ollie's, which next time I go to Ollie's, I'm gonna do a vlog because when I tell you there's so much stuff in there, y'all. Oh my goodness. So when we went to Ollie's, I found that shampoo and conditioner and it was so cheap. Because in Walmart I usually get it for like $10. I want to say it was like $2 for the shampoo, $2 for the conditioner. Like I was like, wait, what? I'm gonna go there and get a whole bunch of stuff. I am. Okay, so next we've got the Lotta Body Shea. Now this is the foam because again I'm gonna be doing a flexi rod set or a flexi rod set, And I've never used a lot of body, but I've seen people use it and it be having people's hair laid. I've tried so many different foams and I can't seem to figure out my favorite foam still after years of using different foams. So hopefully this one works really, really well. I'm excited to use it. Yeah, we're gonna use it. Okay. I told you I just moved, so I have two full rolls of these somewhere, and I just cannot find them. But I need them for my witch hazel because I put that on my face after I wash my face. But I just had to buy a new pack because I can't find it. I know, I know. Your girl needed some more underwear. Like I'm not gonna take the underwear out, but look how cute the packaging is on this underwear. What? Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at the back, y'all. Beautiful isn't a size. I'm gonna buy some more of these just because of that packaging. The packaging is so cute. I'm gonna open them later. I'm gonna open them later. Okay, and last but certainly not least, y'all, we have eye masks. So I've been seeing these honestly, and I just wanted to try them to be honest. Now these go under your eyes to help, with puffiness or swelling eyes or blackness under your eyes. So I was like, let me try these. They help moisturize. It got antioxidants, anti-aging, and soothe. There's 40 of them in here, and I'm gonna put it right here like the price because it was a good price for 40 of these. So yeah, we're gonna see how these go. I'm excited to use them on my eyes. So yeah, y'all, that's like my random haul of just things that I got from Amazon. Again, I just really wanted to get back on here and say what's up to y'all because it's been way too long. It has been way too long, and I'm so excited about getting back on YouTube and doing videos. Like I'm not going years without doing YouTube anymore. Like it's just not gonna happen. So I'm excited to start doing content again, even if it's just sit downs and chit chats and we just kind of go through random stuff like today. We don't do it. We're going to do it. Okay? Because YouTube has always been my favorite platform. Like, I swear, y'all. YouTube has always been my favorite platform. Um, it's always been the hardest to grow on for me in particular, but it's always been my favorite. And I think maybe because it is more challenging and I really have to be consistent. So, like I said, I'm excited, guys, to do more hauls, more hair content, more lifestyle. Like I said, when we go back to Ollie's, I'm going to take y'all with me because I really love that store. I'm really a knickknack type of person, and I like stores that just have a whole bunch of random stuff, honestly. So, I'm gonna take y'all with me, but thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope to see y'all in the next one. Peace, y'all.